Ladies and gentlemen, we are finally back. It took me a little bit longer than I anticipated to make the second video, but better late than never. I've heard some people say. So we'll dive deeper into our micro SaaS projects. And as you've seen and know from the last video, we have a lot of projects in the pipeline here. And I'm thinking it makes sense for me to start with the premium bubble templates project. So let's do that. So what does that mean? Well, this is all about using no-code tools to build stuff, right? Digital assets mainly in some form or another. And my go-to no-code platform to build on is bubble.io. Bubble is the most powerful and most featureful no-code platform there is right now, and it's amazing what you can build with Bubble. Complete web apps, whether you're looking for simple workflows or complex multi-layered apps. And in Bubble, one way to shorten the learning curve is to work with templates. Not only will you shorten the learning curve, but you will also save yourself a lot amount of time and energy. You can most apps have some functionalities that are pretty common and some building blocks that are usually there, both in terms of logic but also in terms of design and layout. So using Bubble templates as a way to learn and start when you're building stuff is a great way to just go about the no-code building. So I've built a lot of templates in Bubble and a lot of different use cases that are not available on the Bubble marketplace, but that I still want to offer to those people who want to learn Bubble and use Bubble in a more efficient way and save a lot of time and efforts on their part. So I want to offer a bundle of Bubble templates really for all you who shows or who use Bubble when it comes to no code. So that is what this project is about. And I want to set up a landing page and a sign up flow and a payment flow for people out there who would like to access my templates. So that is our first digital asset or micro SaaS project. And for this particular project, SaaS is not really what it is. To be, if we wanted to be precise, we wouldn't call it SaaS. We would probably call it digital asset. But anyway, it's close enough. So I'll just leave that as a caveat, but move on. So what we're going to be building now is a landing page for this logo, copy, payment flow, probably Stripe, and a waiting list. Because I'm not sure if I want to release it right away or just fix some details on the templates before. We'll see at the end of this video where we'll end up. So what kind of templates is this bundle going to be made of? Well, it's going to be a mix, and I'll show you soon, but it's going to be dashboards, resume builder template, simple one-page web app, searchable directory, job board or lead gen board, etc. So there'll be a bunch of different ones that I'll show you in just a sec. But before we go any further, if you're new here, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also go to avalonlabs.co and sign up, and you'll see more information on the webpage. But do that and we'll move on. Okay. So let's look at some of the templates that we're going to be bundling. So this is the resume builder, and for some reason my email box fields on Chrome is really strange, has been today. So just ignore this. This field is supposed to be looking like this field, and if I would have opened this in Safari or another browser, it'll look fine. So this is a quick resume builder that I've built for an internal tool when I used to run a headhunting agency. So let's just go to the demo page. So you can just populate the fields like this. YouTube NoCoder, etc, 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 and then you can use this resume. You can share it, get a shareable link, do what you want, right? So it's empty now because I didn't finish it, but it's a simple resume builder. You can use that as a standalone project, or you can use it as a building block in projects that in some way, shape, or form needs to have inputs and fields then displayed in a paper-like form, like a resume. Then we have a lead generation board / job board. So in this case, Founders Club, you can post a project for a fee, and then people can just apply here by paying for contact details. So this can be a job board. It can also be a lead generation board. Let's say I'm in need of plumbing services. I post my project, and as a supplier of these services, I can buy the contact details for the lead. So this is a neat, I think, project that you can use with your imagination. So you can just post a project like so. And should we want to get the, in this case, we also have no-code tools here. Should we want to get the contact details with our email, and we should be redirected to the Stripe checkout. Yes. And then we can just buy some stuff. All right. Here's a dashboard, very simple. Here's another dashboard, a little bit more elaborate, with some nice graphs and a pretty good standard dashboard UI here. In this case, it's healthcare, leading towards healthcare with appointments, patients, operations, hospital earnings, etc. But you can put anything in these boxes and any structure in your database. So this will save you some time as well. Then we have tool stack, which I built actually in another YouTube video, which is just a very simple one-page app where we can put in recurring services we use and see our monthly spend by service. This would be a nice way also to start learning Bubble, just checking out how this one works. Then I also made a video interview tool that you can use either as a standalone project or as a building block in other projects. And this is using the Sigio API, very strong video API. And as an applicant to a job, you can just be screened using a video interview in the flow. Very, very, very strongly recommend using this as an employer. Very easy to set up when you have a simple screening tool like this one is. Then I built also a financial database of Swedish companies, Swedish private companies. Since I'm Swedish, I am lucky enough that Swedish company data is public. So I got a hold of that data and built a database. And the idea is that I can filter all Swedish private company financial data by some investment criteria I might have, apply that, then go into the company and see an overview of their financial position the last years. And if I want a DCF model or any other kind of deeper financial analysis, then I'll have to leave my contact information. And then it also includes searchable directories like this one. So this directory is built on Bubble, and I've just iframed it into the Avalan Labs website here. So for example, Bubble, right? And we can search by inputting tags or use it however we want. And in this case, there were only 2 calculator apps. So those are the different templates that we will bundle into a digital product. So what we need now, I just moved my mic here a little bit. What we need now is a landing page, logo, copy, payment, and a waiting list. So let's do that. And I'm going to be building a landing page with my favorite landing page tool for quick and beautiful and highly functional landing pages, and that is Unicorns platform. So I've already prepared a little bit here. I've added the domain, and I have added a title, and I've added the picture that you saw, and I've added a form. I don't think I have connected a form, no. Let's connect to Google Sheets instead. Okay. So now we have Google Sheets instead. Delete this mode. That can be there. Sheets. Google Sheets. Yes. Watch rows. There is the sheet. And let's run this. Okay, so that should catch some data. And we should be able to catch that data now. I'm just using general. General. New lead from bubbletemplates.co. And I'll leave the email. Okay. And then I wanna add to active campaign. Create a contact email. It's the same email, first name blank, last name blank, boom. And I want to have an active campaign update context list status. And I want to have avalanche map. The last one, create contact. Where is the ID? There it is. Status active. Boom. Okay, run this. Perfect. General. Yes, new lead from Bubbletemplates. Okay, so that now works. Perfect. Now I want to spice up the copywriting a little bit here. I've done some quick layout previously, so I've added just a features view here, a pricing view here, and some FAQ here. And I think also I will probably integrate this price table. Okay, so it's time to set up the Stripe integration just quickly. Let's say personal bundle, bundle personal. perfect for the individual no coder. Boom, one-time fee $7.99. Set up the buy now, buy big bundle now, Stripe, boom, boom. Put in the right price ID from Stripe. And I want to add the commercial license also, which means you can use it to big bundle commercial. Perfect for the more enterprising. Yeah. No coders. Commercial means you can use the anything inside the projects however you want. For clients, starting an agency, yada yada, however you want. So it's a bit more pricey, but it's a steal really. 1499 is the price for that one. Buy big commercial bundle now. Buy big personal bundle now. I'll just say buy personal, buy now. Buy now. Plugin, and the price ID is different. So put in that one time, and maybe we have some more fun stuff. Personal, whatever. This will work for now. Let's save, open page, and see if this works. Okay, let's say I want to buy the commercial license. And it works. Beautiful. That means we now have a landing page. We have connected with Stripe, and we have a waiting list flow. However, the waiting list, let's say like this. Get notified when we add new templates. Sign up to get notified when there are new bubble templates added to the bundle. Perfect. All right, so if you're interested in waiting until some certain template comes, or you just want to be notified, put in your info there. Otherwise, buy the templates. All right, and now the deliverance of the templates is that when you buy a template, normally on the Bubble marketplace, it'll get transferred to your account. In this case, I don't have my templates on the marketplace. This is exclusively available on bubbletemplates.co in a little bit. So I will transfer all the apps templates to the accounts of those buying them. So you will get an email saying, hello, just give me the account email of your Bubble account. If you don't have one, here's how and where to create one. And then I'll just transfer duplicates of the template apps directly inside your account. So that's a little bit manual, but at the same time, it's the best option there is. So I want to have a notification to me whenever somebody buys this, so I can just put the apps to their Bubble account. So let's do that with Integromat, just quickly. Okay, so I've added a integration now, or a automated workflow that says when somebody makes a purchase, it'll send the info to my Slack channel with a to-do saying transfer app to template, transfer app template to user. So that'll be fine for now. let's close down these. Fine. Browse pages, and now let's work a little bit with the copy. All right, and I'm going to be using a really cool product called Headline, which is an AI based landing page and copywriting product. I absolutely love it, and it's based on the GPT-3 OpenAI AI API, which is a mouthful to say. So let's say we're doing marketing copy. This is the micro SaaS project, and let's say pin gain claim. All right. So the audience is builders, makers. Product name is Bubble Templates. Bubble Templates. Filter and optimize. Professional. I like confident. Bubble, the big bubble template bundle is the ultimate way for builders and makers to start their next projects with a bang. Beautifully crafted premium NoCode templates. Let's see what it spits out with this queue. So this is computer generated or computer aided creativity, right? This one is okay. Okay. Building building from scratch takes a lot of time and energy that could be used for better things. With a premium bubble template as a start, you have the best you will save. Building from scratch, building apps from scratch takes a lot of time and energy that could be used for better things. With a premium bubble template as your start, you will be off to the races. Let's see what it spits out. So this is, as you can see in here, an iterative process. So I'm putting something in, it spits something out. Maybe I put in what it spits out, and we're off to the AI races, right? This is basically what I'm saying. We're all out of time. Okay, this is okay. I like this one. Of course. Build your next app with a premium template. Build your next, maybe not app, build your next app with a premium template. Well, it's okay. It is okay. Tagline. That's nice. That is also nice. It's a little bit redundant, I think, having this tagline. But you know what? It's okay. It is okay. We'll add this one. This is just to show you the process, more or less. Get it, and should be following. Boom. Okay, notified. Let's do some features. Let's do it like so. Let me get back and use some new queues, and we'll build the landing page, which is really cool, really cool as well. Let's say bubble templates. Boom. Be back in a second. Ooh, I like this. I like this. No code, no problem. Thank you, AI. I do like you. Oops. That should be the subtitle text. And it should say, what, didn't I bring the text? Let me get back to you with the text. Come on, here. There we go. There we go. And what does it say more? Free? Well, no. Yes, that should be abundantly clear. Templates. Okay. What else? Powerful features, true. And it goes, we can go on and on like this. And I will do it using headline. But this is okay for now. We'll add some FAQ as well. But let's just see what we have now, all right? So we have a landing page, build your next web app or app with a premium template. Premium bubble templates for builders and makers. Building apps from scratch takes a lot of time and energy that could be used for better things. With premium bubble templates as a start, you will be off to races. Obviously, this is not perfect copywriting, but it is okay, and we can build on this you can get notified when we add new templates. And here are some features, and I'll add some more. Off camera, you have some pricing here, and we have connected this to Stripe, so you can actually buy now the bubble templates. And if you buy the bubble templates, either personal or commercial license, I'll get notified in my Slack, and I'll transfer all the templates and all this stuff to you. So obviously in this video I didn't build in Bubble because it's already built, but I built a very important part of a digital asset or a project, and that's distribution and payment and a landing page. And as you've seen, using open platforms like Stripe and clever landing page builders like Unicorn or Webflow, and enterprise automation tools like Integromat, we can build flows and structures like this in no time with no code, and that is really amazing, and it opens up a lot of possibilities. So I'm really excited going forward to continue building on stuff like this, and definitely go to bubbletemplates.co and check out this landing page and see what you think. Now before you go and build stuff, please go to Avalon Labs, sign up. I'm building a community over time that's going to be exclusive and going to be capped at 200 people max lifetime. And inside that community, amongst other things, we will be building digital assets. And as you can see, this landing page is built with the same structure as the one we just did. And all the copywriting on this landing page as well has been done with Headline and AI generated for the most part. I may have done some editing myself, but it has gone through the same process that we just went through with the bubbletemplates.co. So yeah, I'm excited to be starting this micro SaaS or digital asset, whatever you want to call it, journey. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, I think it is, so you get notified when I put out another video. And please also leave your comments and let me know if you want me to build some specific template, or just give me feedback. All right, until next time, ciao.